Hi everyone, this is Lynn with the Lies Family Kitchen. Today I am going to make mapo tofu with ground chicken. We're going to make this from scratch. Mapo tofu is rich, spicy, and savory. You're going to love this if you like Sichuan food. You can use any tofu with this dish. Firm, soft, medium firm, you name it. The one that I like to use is this one called multi-use tofu. It is soft, but it holds the shape very well. It's not as silky as silken tofu, but it's similar to that. But it doesn't break apart easily like silken tofu. So this is my favorite for mapo tofu. The best way to get the tofu out of this package is to use a very sharp knife and run it down along the side of the package. Like that. Drain the water out and then remove the plastic on the top. And as you can see, the tofu is very soft. So I would just take the small knife and then run it down and cut it into small pieces like this. And like that. And then when I'm ready to cook, I would put the tofu into the wok directly from this container. The primary ingredient in the sauce is Douban Jiang. There are many different types of Douban Jiang. This particular one is from Sichuan province, and it's already flavored with Sichuan peppercorn with that numbing, spicy flavor. This has a very distinct umami flavor. It's earthy, it's spicy, it's absolutely delicious, and it must have in your pantry if you like Sichuan food like I do. It can turn any stir-fries, soups, or stews into a Sichuan dish. If you're not familiar with this particular sauce, I will post the link in the description below for you. Here's a quick rundown of the remaining ingredients we need for this dish. What I have here is 6 ounces of ground chicken, 2 green onions diced up, 2 teaspoons of garlic that's been finely minced, 2 teaspoons of finely minced ginger, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of ground peppercorn, this is optional, 2 tablespoons of Douban Jiang, 2 teaspoons of water, and then 1 teaspoon of cornstarch to thicken the sauce. And then we're also gonna need 3/4 of a cup of chicken stock. You can also substitute with water. It's wok time again. So with the wok on high heat, and when it's smoking, add 2 tablespoons of oil into the wok. We're going to brown the chicken first. With your spatula and break the chicken apart. Add the green onions, garlic, ginger, cook until you can smell the flavor, the fragrance from the ginger and the garlic and the onions. Then we are ready to add the Douban Jiang. Then add the chicken stock. Sugar. Peppercorn, give it a quick stir, and then in goes the tofu. Very gentle. Be very gentle when you stir the tofu because we don't want to end with tofu crumbs. get the tofu to be into the sauce. We're going to cook this for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Let's give it a quick stir, but again, be gentle because we don't want to break this. And then some of the sauce has dried up a bit, and it's okay. I'm gonna make the sauce a little bit thicker just so that it would coat the tofu very well. So the cornstarch and water, let's give it a quick mix. And then add it into the wok, and then give it a gentle stir so the sauce mixes evenly. And it's done. There you have it, Mapo tofu with chicken. This is a healthier version of Mapo tofu compared with other recipes. As you can see here, it contains very little oil and the ground chicken is lean. It is healthy, but you also get the same rich, savory, and spicy flavor from this dish. Let's give it a taste, shall we? It smells so good. Check it out. See the ground chicken, the sauce is coating the tofu. So good. And it's perfect to go with a bowl of steamed rice because the plain steamed rice just balances out the spicy and savory flavor from the dish. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe and stay tuned for more delicious recipes. I'm gonna enjoy this.